SOPAMI sent me this porcelain plating agent. It's basically like a ceramic coating for your car, but the thing is, this one is supposed to be instant, and it's a spray bottle instead of having to use the applicator. So I've washed up the front bumper, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it in small sections. I already shook it up, but I'll do it just a little bit more. And we're supposed to spray it on and then wipe it immediately. So let's do that. All right, and okay. So we've done that bit. I've only done this side. And typically with ceramic coatings, you'll see like a water beading effect on the surfaces that you use them on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the hose and see if we can see any difference on either side. Okay, so instantly I can see the beading happening over here far better than it does over on this side. We see it kind of just comes together and evaporates, whereas here it is very clearly beading everywhere that I have put it. So this is a coating. It's supposed to last you a while. It's supposed to give you that ceramic paint protection, which is really nice, especially on front bumpers of like white cars like this, because I'm going on a road trip and there's going to be bugs. So hopefully this will help to fill in those micro cracks, help give it a better base so I can just spray it off and clean it off a whole lot easier. But I mean, you saw it for yourself. I sprayed it, no time cuts or anything, and it was good to go. So if you want a quick acting ceramic coating that you can spray, this stuff, it really works.